A 5-bedroom house for $565,000. Hi, Jeff Nix, Inspirata TV. I'm out here solo today at a KB build. This is one of my favorite floor plans. It's the 2467. We just posted one a few days ago on Boba Vista. It's such a great use of space. So it's 5 bedrooms, a bedroom and a full bath down, a good open kitchen, family room, dining room, and then upstairs you have 4 more bedrooms and a loft. So let me switch around the camera and we'll get started. Like I was saying, I really like this floor plan. Leanne and I are actually considering this one for ourselves because it's such a good use of space. So, tile floors, blinds. So like I said, there's the bedroom down, which would be a nice office or a guest bedroom. And the nice thing is the storage goes under the stairs here. No light. Okay. Turn that on. And then here you have a full bath. So it would be a nice guest room if somebody's staying, kind of got their own bath. All right, so I like the gray quartz, 42-inch shakers, stainless steel appliances, refrigerator, washer, and dryer all stay. In fact, I think the one that we did on Boba Vista had an extra cabinet here. So maybe that's why that one seems so long, but I like the pendant lights. The fridge is in nice condition. Good pantry. Turn this on. So yeah, it's a really nice use of space and it's manageable. It's not so humongous, and what you get with the bedroom down and the loft up, it's really, I'm a big fan of it. Turn these on. Okay. So a nice size yard, pavered patio, artificial grass. So this was built in 19. Taxes are $47.46 a year. And the 9-foot ceilings, it really feels nice. Just pop out to the garage. I'm not sure if this is going to have a tankless. Being that it's 2019, it might not. It does. So, tankless water heater, no additional storage, but ceilings are high enough. It would be super nice to do that. Have your coat closet there. We'll head upstairs. So as always, please like and subscribe to our channel. Leanne and I are out here all the time doing these videos. We're about to hit 50 of these Inspirata TV episodes. So this is the loft. The whole idea behind this was to provide people watching on their TV something like really nice, high def, fill the whole screen, and then do the vertical shorts. So if you're thinking about a home in Henderson, really encourage you to explore Inspirata if you haven't. I mean, Henderson's a big place. So deep tub. For some reason the lighting's looking weird. Okay. So bedroom 3. So. What I like about this bedroom is the size is nice. Pretty big. I would kind of guess it's almost 15 feet long with a walk-in closet. And I like this little window seat. These are the 2 windows above the garage. Good size walk-in closet. Right. You also have upstairs laundry. And again, the washer and dryer stay. Okay. Double door entry into the primary. Good space, easy king size bed, good size nightstands on both ends. Dresser, TV on the wall. Bada boom, bada bing. All right, and again, a good size walk-in closet. Shelves like this. So a good shower, good size shower. With the bench seat, no water closet. Okay, so, and dual vanities. So as always, Jeff Nix, homesininspirata.com. Please remember our website has every listing from every brokerage, so no need to search multiple sites. They're all here. Please like and subscribe. If you want to see this home or any other, please reach out to us. Leanne and I are always out here working, and we appreciate you watching.